Solving hard IELTS listening section 3 MCQ without getting confused. Do you panic when section 3 multiple choice question appears? If you had ever said, sir, MCQ answers सुन के भी wrong हो जाते ने, and this is video is exactly for you. Section 3 is where many students lose their band 7 plus and band 8 dreams. So why? So what's the reason here? Because IELTS does not test hearing. So it tests the understandings. So today I will show you how top scores handle difficult MCQs and avoid common traps. Why section 3 is so difficult? The conversation is faster. Usually 2 students, 1 tutor, academic discussions, opinions changing. So unlike section 1, answers are really direct. Distractors are everywhere. Example, students say, we initially planned to survey 500 people. Most students choose 500. Then speakers continue. However, due to the budget issues, we reduced it to 300. Now correct answer is 300. So IELTS purposely gives you a wrong answer first. So mistake 1, choosing the first thing you hear. Choosing the first thing you hear. We heard option B. Click, move on, wrong. Always listen until the speaker finishes the idea. The answer often changes. Mistake 2. Reading options too late. Before audio starts, read all options carefully. Identify keywords, numbers, names, opinions, comparison. Preparations wins marks. Mistake 3. Listening for words instead of meaning. IELTS rarely repeats exact words. Let's take the example. Questions say, why did they cancel the project? Why did they cancel the project? So audio say, project was no longer financially viable. No word cancel appears, but the meaning is same. So band 8 student listen for the meaning. So the golden MCQ strategy. Step 1. Read questions first. Understand what is being asked. Step 2. Underline differences between options. Example, cost, time, location. Now you know exactly what information matters. Step 3. Follow the conversation. Do not hunt for the answers. Follow the discussion naturally. Step 4. Wait for the confirmation. Never select immediately. Listen until the topic change. Real IELTS example questions. Why was the presentation delayed? Equipment failure option A. B. Staff shortage. C. Scheduling conflict. And now's the audio. We thought equipment problem caused the delay. Many students pick options A because there is a equipment. Then speaker continues. After investigation, we discover it was actually a scheduling issues. So now the correct answer is C. This is a classic IELTS distraction. Band 8 plus secret, top scores expect distractions. When they hear the answers quickly, they become more alert, not less. So because they know IELTS often changes the answer later. If you want to improve your MCQ listening questions, so you have to follow the improvement plan. Practice daily 10 MCQs questions. Learn common distractor patterns. Focus on paraphrasing. Practice academic conversations. Review mistakes only. Timed practice. Complete full listening test. So follow this structure for your improvements. Common distractor words are initially, at first, originally, previously, however, but, instead, although, eventually, and finally. These words are often signal answer changes. So here's the challenge for viewers. Comment below MCQ Master and tell me your current listening scores, your target score, and I will let you know what you should focus on next. If this video helps you understand section 3 MCQ better, like the videos, subscribe to IELTS with GIC and share it with a friend who keep losing the marks in MCQ questions.